Let's visit the animal zoo. I'll see the animals, me and you. Some say roar and some say moo. Let's meet them all, it's fun to do. The lion roars so loud and strong. He's the king all day long. Golden fur and shiny mane, roaring proud across the plain. The monkey swings from tree to tree. He laughs and shouts, come play with me. He eats bananas, 1, 2, 3. A funny friend, so full of glee. The elephant has a trunk so long. He sprays cool water and sings a song. Big gray ears that flap, flap, flap. He walks so slow, clap, clap, clap. A giraffe is tall with a long, long neck. She eats green leaves, oh what a snack. She looks around from up so high, touching clouds up in the sky. The zebra wears black and white, stripes that shine in morning light. He runs so fast, he loves to play. In the sun, he jumps all day. The tiger sneaks in grass so green, with orange stripes, he can't be seen. He growls a little, soft and low, then smiles and says, hey, let's go! Whoa! The panda eats bamboo all night. He hugs the trees, what a sight! Black and white and soft as snow. He moves so slow, nice and slow. The kangaroo jumps high and free. She carries her baby, 1, 2, 3. Hopping fast across the ground. Boing, 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 what a sound. The penguin walks in cold white snow. He waddles cute, left, right, slow. He cannot fly, but swims so fast. In icy seas, he loves the splash. The parrot talks all day and night, with feathers red and green so bright. He says hello and how are you? A talking bird, amazing too. The dolphin swims in